In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shadows to images in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to give your photos depth and polish with just a few clicks. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once your design is on the screen, click the image you want to edit. As soon as you select it, you'll see a toolbar appear above the canvas. From that toolbar, click Edit. This opens the editing panel where you can access all the enhancement tools you need. In the editing panel, head to Effects, and then choose Shadows. This is where the magic happens. You'll see several shadow styles you can apply instantly. Glow adds a soft halo around your image, great for a subtle highlight or a dreamy look. Drop creates a classic shadow that falls behind the image, perfect for adding depth and making the subject pop off the background. Outline places a crisp edge around the image, which can mimic a sticker-style look and help it stand out in busy designs. Curved wraps the shadow around the edges as if the image is bending, ideal for a slightly dimensional effect. Page lift makes it look like the corners are raised from the page, adding a gentle, realistic lift. Angled casts a shadow in a specific direction, useful when you want a dynamic directional feel. And if you're aiming for a more natural, realistic result, choose Backdrop. It simulates a shadow that falls onto the surface behind your subject, grounding it in the scene. After you pick a style, take a moment to fine-tune it. You can usually adjust settings like blur, transparency, distance, and angle. Increasing blur softens the edges for a more natural look. Lower transparency makes the shadow lighter and more subtle. Higher transparency deepens it for extra drama. Distance and angle help you match the light direction in your design so the shadow feels believable. If the option is available, tweak the color to better match your background. Cool tone shadows work well on cooler backdrops, while warmer shadows blend nicely with warm-toned scenes. As you adjust, keep an eye on how the shadow interacts with the rest of your design. The goal is to enhance the image without overwhelming it. When you're happy with the result, you're done. You've successfully added a shadow to your image in Canva, and your design now has that professional, polished touch.